How I wonder. Hello friends. Have you ever wondered how day and night occur? Come let's find out. Once upon a time in a land where the sun and moon were best friends, there was a little star named Twinkle who loved to watch the world change. Twinkle asked the moon one day, "Why does the night always end?"
It's because the Earth is like a giant spinning top. It spins around an invisible line called its axis. When one side of the Earth faces the sun, it's daytime there. And when the Earth spins and that side turns away from the sun, it becomes nighttime.
Twinkle's eyes sparkled with curiosity and she asked, "Oh, so the Earth is always spinning, and that's why day and night keep taking turns?"
Exactly. The sun doesn't move across the sky, it's the Earth spinning that makes it look like the sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening.
Twinkle watched as flowers woke up, birds sang and the kids played in the sunlight. But when the sun set and the moon returned, everything went quiet and peaceful again. Day and night are like a team. Isn't it amazing how the world always knows how to keep going? For more videos, please subscribe.